So the next one is receiving something. When something comes to your hand, okay, it's also considered an experience. Whether it is a gift or whether it is a book or something or an opportunity. To receive something is basically the verb is milna. So the recipient of all of those things will be followed by ko. Right? If I received a gift, it will be main plus ko. मुझे gift मिला. Past tense. मिलना, I'm using it past tense. Feel free to. If I generally receive the gift, मुझे gifts मिलते हैं. Right? और मुझे gift मिलता है. It's experiencer, whoever is receiving it. It's followed by को. X को, John को, Marwa को, Stacy को, Nicole को, something. And something, as I said, is opportunity or help. If you're receiving a help, help is considered feminine. Nicole को help मिली. Okay? Let's say Michael. So Michael को bonus मिला. So Sunny को award मिला. And in this case, the key thing is to remember is the Milna agrees with the thing received. So whether it is Sunny who got the award or Jackie who got the award, both of the time, you will say Jackie ko award mila, okay, or Sunny ko award mila, because award is masculine singular. Let's say you received the work. There you go. Mujhe kaam mila. Okay. You're using it in the past tense. You got the work. You can again, if you want to use it in different tenses, you can use it. Mujhe kaam milega. You got the message or you received the message. Yeah, you can say mujhe sandesh mila or mujhe message mila. Okay, so it's funny because kaam is considered masculine, but the job is considered feminine, right? So what is the Hindi word for job, Marwaji? Naukri. Okay, I got a wonderful job. Beautiful. Mujhe achhi naukri mili. You received a book. Mujhe kitab mili. Beautiful, right? You got the information. Mujhe jankari mili. Okay, or if you didn't receive any information, you just wasted your time. कोई नई जानकारी नहीं मिली, टाइम खराब हो गया. You got the files. मुझे files मिली. और documents. मुझे documents मिले और दस्तावेज मिले. The phone number as well as like मुझे आपका number मिला. I got your phone number. मुझे आपका number Vlad से मिला. I got your number from Vlad. My homework to you guys is at least think about 3 examples for each. 3 things that you can use for mila, 3 for mili, and 3 for mile. Okay, and this is just to exercise this thing. And for intermediate and above, definitely use it in more than past tense, right? If you think you will receive the prize, it'll milega, milegi, and milenge.